Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many requests on Snapchat. To know how to fix or how to solve too many requests on Snapchat, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window or to the app of Snapchat and you click. Here in this page of app info, you click on first stop and you click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait 3 seconds to turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. And if it's not working with you, you can just update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.